So yo, what's up people? Today we are back with another banger video, and today we are gonna save you money if you use Retell and Vapi for your voice agents. And it's a very underrated method. There are just a few videos about it on YouTube, and now this is gonna be one of them. So if you actually use Retell and Vapi to ship voice agents, the problem is their high per minute cost. Like the actually have 7 to 31 cents per minute, depending on the usage. All the numbers are from their website. I'm not making shit up. So this was Retail, and this is Vapi. Vapi actually have 5 cents per minute. Here, the platform fees. It is not the per minute cost, the total per minute cost. It's the platform fees, and it is making you broke, bro. Imagine you can have those 5 cents a minute to your name, and every 100 minutes you will actually gain $5 or something. If a client is ready to pay that much money, why give it to Vapi? Why give it to Retail? Have that commission for yourself, or provide a better service at a cheaper price to your client, or and undercut your competition. Like there is so many use cases if you just host your own retailer Vapi. But how do we do that actually? So the GitHub repo is called Dograh, and this is not a setup video. I will show you the setup video in a few days. It is just a demo video. I will just show you guys a demo of how it works and what all is possible. So the first thing that is the pro point is, yeah, it just have 5 cents a minute, maximum 5 cents a minute. It's not the starting point, it's the maximum price. If you use the models I will tell you in the future video, it's 5 cents a minute, including all the platform fees, all the models, TTS, yeah, speech to text, everything. Retail and Vapi doesn't offer customization. You cannot imprint your own brand or your client brand's logo onto their software. In Dogra, you can. And apart from the white labeling thing, you have a whole admin dashboard where you can just add or subtract new users. You can recharge their wallets, and everything is possible. I will show you guys that in future in the video I just mentioned. If you are using Retail and Vapi, you are dependent on the platform. Like imagine they just decide to increase their platform fees to 10 cents a minute, or like their servers go down for a few minutes, and you don't know what's the problem. You are just waiting there, sitting idle. That how can you actually surpass it while your client is abusing you, while your client is asking you why the service is not working, my clients got lost. In Dogra, nothing like that happens. You have your own hosting, you have your own LLM keys, own softwares, and you are just not dependent on anybody. Even if something goes out, you know what's the part that is going out, you know how to fix it, you know how much time it will take. So it is just so much fucking better. Now I will just show you a demo of the voice agent that was built in Dogra. I actually built one for immigration consultancy. I know it's a underrated niche, and it was quite good underrated niche, but now it won't be. So there's just a demo pre-built for क्या कहते हैं immigration consultants. Let me show you guys. I will just make a phone call here, and I will show you the working of it. I hope I'm audible right now. If I'm not, I will just KMS at the point, because I am recording this video for the second time. It didn't get recorded the first time, and it's actually quite irritating. So I've started the call. Must be some issue. Arjun, actually, I'm a business person in USA. How can you help me? Why does about my name? I'm a business in USA. Yeah, I wanna have a AI automation agency. Obviously, वहां जाके कंपनी स्टार्ट करनी है, बट
उसके लिए भाई आपको वीजा और बाकी लीगल फॉर्मेलिटीज पर फोकस करना पड़ेगा।
yeah, so this was the demo. This is how it sounds like. The the voice issue that was happening again and again, like the voice cutting off, was because of the Geo provider. I don't have any signals of Geo in my house, and hence the voice was just cutting, and yeah. But the latency was quite good, and you won't actually have to face this voice issue like it is a issue on the end part of the person getting the call, like it was gonna happen anyways. Apart from this, if we host it on a VPS server like Google Cloud or Hostinger, etc., then we won't actually have to like wait for the responses. We can actually interrupt them. We will have a good as latency, like under 1,000 latency and everything. So that's that. Apart from this, I will show you the features of the platform. Like it is 100 times better than retail because there is just no uh, commissions, there is no platform fees, and you can actually customize them. So this is what agents I showed you. I have two demos built, one for a college and one for a counselor. We can actually start campaigns here. We can just upload a lead sheet and it will call them one by one or multiple at once. If you want to call 500 people, 1,000 people, it's very easy. You just need to have more amount of phone numbers. The model, it is the knowledge base and everything. You can feed your data. Oh, the files was the knowledge base, my bad. It is the model configuration. You can set up your API keys and everything. Telephony configurations, you can set up your phone numbers there. Tools is just, what do we say, the transfer call, thing like that, calculator, MCP server. Like we can use tools to connect it to our CRMs and everything. Five, again, the knowledge base of it, I told you. These are all the knowledge base of the demo I just built. You cannot actually open it, but it's there. Recordings, we will have all the recordings of your voice agent here, and the developer is the API keys. So let me show you the recording part also. That is quite good. So we go to edit, we do view runs, and we have all of the fucking transcript here. Let it open. Yeah, so all of the transcript here, see, just talking to himself because of the Geo end server. And yeah, and download the transcript, you can download the recording, you can listen to the recording here. All of the JSON format things are here also. So that's that. The main usage of hosting our own platform is the complete control over it. You are not dependent on retail, you are not dependent on Vapi, you don't have to pay any fucking platform fee per minute. Like imagine um, if your client crosses 100 minutes and those $5 go to retail or Vapi, in those $5 you could have hosted your own VPS setup, your own Dogra, and you would just would use it for free. Or if you wanna charge 0.05 dollars per minute, you can actually have that commission set up for yourself. You can undercut your competition who are using retail and Vapi. So that's that also. Apart from this, I just prefer having control over my softwares. You can white label it, you can put up your own logo on Dogra, you can build the admin dashboard. I will show you all of that in future. It is just a trial video. I am just showing you a demo of the software that I use for voice agents and I would use for voice agents. instead of Retell and Vapi because they are fucking expensive, bro. They are fucking expensive. You cannot pay 31 rupees or $0.31 per minute. That is just insane. You will drain out your bank account. That is of no use. Your ROI would be uh, fucking down the earth. So that's that also. If this video gets 50-60 views, I know that's a small target, but we are just starting out. If this video gets 50-60 views, I will show you a whole ass setup of Dograh on this channel, and I will just show you how to connect your phone numbers, how to upload knowledge based data, and like everything. I will teach you all of this rag bullshit, how to make voice agents, how to start campaigns. And if you're too lazy to build one for yourself, if you want this system implemented in your business through me, I will build all of the software, I will do the maintenance and everything. Just reach me out on Instagram, reach me out on the comment section of this YouTube, whatever, and I will build one for you at a fucking convenient and affordable price range. So that's that. Until then, bye bye, tata, love you, and good night.